how sudden was this? How surprising is his resignation here?
Yeah, this was a surprise. I don't think anybody was really looking for this announcement. There really had been no, speculation about his leaving. But the stock is pretty much unchanged today, which indicates that I think the market is perceiving this as a fairly orderly transition of the CFO duties. David is going to stay, as you mentioned, to kind of handle the transition. So it appears to be a little bit of surprise, but not a big deal for the company or investors.
What are going to be the chief sort of, what's going to be the top of the to-do list, Paul, for his successor?
Yeah, I think the top of the to-do list is to manage the cash at the company. This is a company that is still free cash flow negative. It is borrowing in the debt markets to fund the continued increase in programming expenses. They're going to spend about $8 billion this year, and they have to borrow money to fund that. So the real focus for the next CFO is to manage this company to cash flow positive, which is still several years off, judging by our model at least.
And so, all of this said, are there a lot of good candidates out there who could become CFO here? I mean, it doesn't seem like this is a huge concern for investors, judging by the stock reaction today.
Exactly. I think this is going to be, they're going to have their pick of the absolute top talent here. Netflix obviously is one of the most successful companies in the marketplace. The stock has just been tremendous and is a very high profile job with a company that's really on the cutting edge of disrupting the traditional media business on a global scale. So this is a global CFO job. It is one with a very high profile company, one with that, can be very lucrative given how the stock has been performing. So I think they're going to have a lot of options here. They're going to be able to choose from a very wide pool, a very deep pool of candidates.
Does it matter whether it's internal or external, Paul?
No, I don't think so. I think they're going to have the, the advantage again of really being able to choose the best of the best that is in the marketplace. I think a lot of top CFOs will be angling for this job. Again, just given how high profile the company is and, the kind of trajectory that this company has had and is expected to have over the next several years. So I think they're going to really be in a good position. And again, I think that's one of the reasons why the stock is reacting in a fairly calm way this morning.